In today's fast-paced world, managing personal finances can feel daunting. The envelope budgeting system offers a simple yet powerful solution to regain control of your finances. By physically allocating cash to specific spending categories, you gain a clear visual representation of your budget. This system promotes mindful spending and helps you prioritize your financial goals. It's a refreshing alternative to complicated budgeting apps and spreadsheets. You'll be more aware of where every dollar is going and less likely to make impulsive purchases. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly how much money you have allocated for groceries, entertainment, or dining out. No more anxiety about overdraft fees or mounting credit card debt. The envelope system provides a sense of control and clarity, allowing you to make informed financial choices. It's a step towards a more secure and stress-free financial future. Long before digital banking, people relied on simpler methods to manage their money. The envelope system, in its essence, has been around for generations. It was a common practice for families to allocate their income into different envelopes designated for specific expenses. This tangible approach to budgeting provided a clear visual representation of their financial resources. In the early to mid-20th century, when cash was the primary form of payment, the envelope system was a practical necessity. With the rise of credit cards and electronic transactions, the envelope system fell out of favor for many. However, in recent years, there has been a resurgence of interest in this traditional budgeting method. People are rediscovering the simplicity and effectiveness of the envelope system in curbing overspending and promoting mindful spending habits. It's a return to basics that can have a profound impact on our financial well-being. Implementing the envelope system is straightforward and can be easily adapted to your individual needs. The first step is to create a comprehensive budget that outlines your income and expenses. List all sources of income, including your salary, side hustles, or any other regular income streams. Then itemize your expenses, categorizing them into essential and non-essential categories. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, determine the amount of cash you want to allocate to each spending category. Consider your spending patterns and prioritize essential expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries. For non-essential categories like entertainment or dining out, set realistic limits based on your financial goals. After you've allocated funds to each category, withdraw the designated amount of cash and place it into labeled envelopes. When you make a purchase within a specific category, use the cash from the corresponding envelope. Once the cash in an envelope is gone, you've reached your spending limit for that category. The envelope budgeting system offers a multitude of benefits that can transform your financial health. By physically limiting your spending to the cash in each envelope, you avoid the temptation of impulsive purchases and stick to your budget. When you have to physically hand over cash, you become more conscious of the value of your money. This mindful approach to spending can lead to better financial decisions and prevent unnecessary expenses. The envelope system also provides a sense of control and empowerment over your finances. You gain a clear understanding of where your money is going and can easily track your spending. This increased control can reduce financial stress and boost your confidence in managing your money. Furthermore, the envelope system is a simple and accessible budgeting method that doesn't require complicated software or apps. The tangible nature of cash and envelopes makes it easy to understand and implement. Section 5. Tips and Tricks. Mastering the envelope system. While the envelope system is simple in concept, there are some tips and tricks that can enhance its effectiveness. If you're new to the system, consider starting with a few key categories. Focus on areas where you tend to overspend, such as dining out or entertainment. Once you've mastered those categories, gradually add more as you become comfortable. You can also leverage digital tools to complement the envelope system. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your overall budget and monitor your progress. This can provide a comprehensive view of your finances while still benefiting from the tangible aspect of cash envelopes. At the end of each week or month, review your spending and make adjustments to your budget as needed. The key is to create a system that you can stick to and that helps you achieve your financial goals. Section 6. Troubleshooting overcoming common challenges. One common challenge with the envelope system is the temptation to borrow from other envelopes when one runs out. To avoid this, establish clear rules for yourself and stick to them. If you run out of money in one envelope, resist the urge to borrow from another. Instead, consider finding alternative solutions or adjusting your budget for the next period. Another challenge is the inconvenience of carrying cash for all your expenses. To address this, you can use a combination of cash and debit cards. Allocate cash for categories where you tend to overspend and use your debit card for other expenses, ensuring you track your spending diligently. To overcome tracking difficulties, keep a small notebook or use a note-taking app on your phone to record every cash transaction. This provides a detailed record of your spending and helps you stay within your budget. Section 7. Conclusion: Embrace financial freedom. The envelope budgeting system is a powerful tool that can transform your financial health. By physically allocating cash to specific spending categories, you gain control over your spending, develop mindful habits, and achieve your financial goals. It's a simple yet effective method that has stood the test of time. Whether you're struggling with debt, trying to save for a specific goal, or simply want to gain a better understanding of your spending habits, the envelope system can provide the structure and clarity you need. It empowers you to make conscious decisions about your money and break free from the cycle of overspending. Embracing the envelope system is a step towards financial freedom. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're in control of your finances and working towards a more secure future. Try the envelope system and experience the transformative impact it can have on your life. Section 8. Further exploration, additional resources. For those interested in delving deeper into the envelope budgeting system, there are numerous resources available online and in print. Websites dedicated to personal finance offer articles, templates, and calculators to help you get started. You can also find books and podcasts that provide in-depth guidance on budgeting and money management. Many financial institutions offer free workshops and seminars on budgeting techniques, including the envelope system. These resources can provide valuable insights and practical tips for implementing the system effectively. Connecting with financial advisors or counselors can also provide personalized guidance and support. Online communities and forums dedicated to budgeting can be a great source of inspiration and support. Take advantage of the available resources and continue to learn and grow in your financial knowledge.